together. The clock strikes midnight, but the sky is awake. No signs of darkness for the night to take. We pedal uphill through the gravel and stone, grateful I'm not in this beauty alone. With friends by my side as the steep path ascends to the perfect viewpoint where the horizon bends. Look out o'er the fjord where the deep waters gleam, where the island rests like a majestic dream. The sea is bathing in crimson and gold. Up here by the top, our spirits unfold, sharing the midnight sun. Sharing the midnight sun. Our Arctic summer has finally begun. 24 hours of unbroken light, but it's most beautiful in the middle of the night, where darkness usually rules and commands. The Arctic sun reigns supreme o'er these lands, to share this golden, breathtaking view with the people I love.